Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Yahoo email name. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to navigate to the Yahoo website and log into your account. Once you have logged in, now look toward the top right corner of the page where you will see your profile icon. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu and select Account Info, which contains all of your account details and settings. In the Account Info section, locate and click on Personal Info. This is the area where you can view and edit your personal information, including your Yahoo email display name. Keep in mind that while you can modify your display name, your email address itself will stay the same. In the Personal Info section, find your current display name and click to edit it. Type in your new desired name, as this is the name others will see when you send them emails. After making your changes, click Done to save them. This will finalize your new display name, and from this point forward, your outgoing emails will reflect the updated name. And that's it. So that is how you can change your Yahoo email name. So that's all for this video. Thanks.